sick, alone, and unemployed. The COVID pandemic left so many people just miserable.
Yeah, but the pandemic equaled money to a now federally indicted tax preparer. Fox 13 investigative reporter Kayla Solomon is unraveling a $65 million COVID scheme and the cover-up investigators say followed.
Posed behind a laptop, Renata Walton presented herself as a tax expert. Not only did she prepare taxes, she taught others to do the same, and even sold her own tax preparation software. An online article touted Walton as a working mom and entrepreneur, running not just the tax business, but bounce house rentals, a fashion boutique, and a cosmetic line. And if you ran a business, any kind of business, her Facebook page claimed she was the tax preparer you should depend on, even promising self-employed people thousands in COVID relief money. Those thousands turned into millions, according to this federal indictment. It says Walton and accused co-conspirator Nicole Jones would contact clients who had small businesses and ask if they were interested in, quote, grant money that was available to them. Then they'd prepare tax forms claiming employee retention credits with substantial and fictitious wage amounts. Those small businesses would then receive U.S. Treasury checks based on that false information in excess of $100,000. And the indictment says they did it over and over again with different clients, in all defrauding or attempting to defraud the government out of $65 million between 2020 and this year. Of course, then Walton and Jones got a cut, about $15,000 each for their services. Then the government caught on. In January of last year, Walton was put on notice the federal government was investigating her for tax preparation fraud. Yet, she continued to file fraudulent tax returns. Then came the cover-up. This year, the indictment says Walton and Jones sent clients pre-drafted letters to forward to the IRS with false information to undermine the IRS investigation, and later encouraging clients not to speak with IRS agents. In all, this is a 51-count indictment covering wire fraud, conspiracy, obstruction of justice, helping to file a false tax return, and money laundering. Kayla Solomon, Fox 13 Investigates.